Hi, I'm Mike Davis with the Davis Resnick Group here at Champion Real Estate, and I'm here today with Randy Fisher from the Fisher Law Office, and we're talking about estates and real estate. And a question that comes up frequently, Randy, is when buying real estate, should you create an LLC to put it in, or should you just buy it in your personal name, husband, wife, that kind of thing? Why would you do one or the other, or should you even do one or the other?
You should, whenever possible, you should buy it in the name of an entity, because it's a business now. You're renting to somebody, and if something happens to the tenant, something happens in the house, something happens along that way, the only lawsuit that can occur is against whatever entity owns it and the assets of that entity. So if they have rental property and it sits in an LLC, then if something occurs for a problem, they would be talking to the LLC about fixing it. If they have it in their joint name, that is the worst possible place for it to be, because they typically would own their family home in their name. If they both own the rental property and they both own their family home, well, then all of that could be part of some discussion about, hey, this is messed up and you need to fix it.
Right.
And if they don't fix it, can't fix it, won't fix it, whatever, then all of that is exposed, including the family home.
Wow, that's a big risk. So obviously, the idea is put it in an entity of some kind. And
exactly.
an LLC seems to be
LLC is a good vehicle to do it in. And mom and dad could own the LLC equally. That will give them some protection from that standpoint. And when they're working with real estate agents like you, I know from working with you that you know this sort of stuff. But if they're not working with an agent that's talking to them about this, then they need to find an agent that does understand that sort of thing.
Well, they definitely need to be talking to somebody who understands it, which is why we have you here. When we get into these legal issues, I definitely refer clients to attorneys who are knowledgeable, which is why we have Randy here today. Again, I'm Mike Davis with the Davis Resnick Group at Champion Real Estate, here with Randy Fisher from the Fisher Law Office, talking about real estate and estates. And we'll have future videos. We'll be talking about additional subjects, so keep posted. Thanks a lot.